Hi, Miss Liz here. How are you guys? I'm going to be reading you a book called The Flea Sneeze. And it is by Lynn Downey and Carla Fisher Hammer. Okay, let's get into it. On a dark, dark night on an old farm in a rickety-crickety tumbled-down barn, everybody slept peacefully. A rat, a cat, a black-eyed bat, a cow, an owl, a feathered fowl, a dog, a hog, an old barn frog. Everybody slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard him cough. Ahee, ahee. He's so small. No one heard him sniffle, sniffle. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. Then suddenly, before he could cover his snout, achoo! Uh-oh. It scared the rat, who cried boo-hoo, and woke the cat, who hissed meow. It baffled the bat, whose eyes turned blue, and confused the cow, who muttered moo moo. But the mouse the flea used for a house kindly gave him a tissue. The flea wiped his nose, and before his eyes had even closed, he began to doze. For all the rest of that dark night, on the old farm, in a rickety-crickety, tumble-down barn, everybody slept peacefully. Hello, Tyler.
Mommy, how am I dragon hat up down?
Okay. The flea and the mouse he used for a house. The rat, the cat, the blind-eyed bat, the cow, the owl, the feathered fowl, even the dog, and the old barn frog. Everybody slept just like a log, except the hog. No one heard him garble wheeze. I think I've got a sneeze. Bye, everyone. Have a great day.